In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your to-dos with Todoist in just 5 minutes. If you're looking for a way to better manage your tasks and boost productivity, then you're in the right place. Let's dive straight into it. First things first, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and head over to Todoist's login page by typing in app.todoist.com/login in the address bar. It's as simple as that to get started on this fantastic organizational journey. Once there, you'll need to log in using your existing account. Just enter your email and password and you'll be good to go. And if remembering passwords isn't your forte, worry not. You can always choose to log in using your Google, Facebook or Apple account for a quicker entry. Once you're logged in, it's time to create a project. This is where you can categorize your tasks efficiently. Look for the plus icon next to My Projects in the sidebar and give it a click. Here you can add a name for your project, pick a color to make it visually distinct, and choose how you'd like to view it, be it a list or a board. For those on pro or business plans, there's also an option for a calendar view, making planning easier than ever. With your project ready, it's time to add your first task. It's easy, just click on add task while you're in your new project space. Type in your task name, and while you're at it, don't forget to include a date. Adding dates keeps you organized and reminds you of deadlines. Tasks can be pretty big sometimes, right? If that's the case, don't hesitate to break them down into subtasks. Simply select any task, click add subtask, and type the name plus the date for it. You can always view or hide these subtasks using the arrow next to your main task. To maintain a tidy project space, you can further organize tasks into sections. Just hover below your list and a nifty line named Add Section will appear. Clicking it helps you create sections, making tasks easier to manage. Now there might be times when you're unsure which project a task belongs to. That's perfectly okay. Just add such task to your inbox, which you'll find at the top of the sidebar. Every task you haven't assigned a project to will collect here by default. Moving tasks from your inbox to a specific project is straightforward. You select the task to view it, use the project icon and assign it accordingly. Todoist also lets you stay on top of everything with today and upcoming views. Simply click there to see all tasks scheduled for today or even plan out the week ahead. Finally, checking off tasks that you've completed is incredibly satisfying. Just click the circle next to them. To review everything you've accomplished, click the 3 dots icon at the top of your project and select completed tasks. And there you have it, a streamlined process to manage your tasks with Todoist. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing.